Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I try to keep my phone well balanced and at the same time well protected, I need a cover that is always going to take care of my investment. And this is where this OtterBox commuter comes into place. And I'm gonna tell you one of the things that I like the most about this case. This is a two-in-one case for this Galaxy S21 Ultra. It has a really good grip. As you can see, it has these two layers of grip here that it's always gonna keep your hand really nice and close and neat. And this is really ergonomic. This is not your typical bump case that is going to be too tough or too bulky that is gonna be hard for you to carry on with. And it's just give like this nice protection of the second layer that is a hard plastic here. You can actually scratch this with keys and you're just gonna be just fine. The rubber protection from the sides keep the phone nice and snug, that every single time that you may fall, your phone may fall, you just have this ease of mind that your protection, your investment of your phone is gonna stay nice. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.